Hey y'all, so as y'all saw in the other video, I did microlinks on my hair, so I had to come back the next day and show y'all it dried because y'all, this is giving scalp, this is my hair. Okay, do y'all see this? Like, y'all can't even see where my hair is. Can you? Can you? You cannot. It's looking great. So I'm about to take this down because basically this is how I slept. I put it up in a thing, in a pineapple, whatever you want to call this, and I put my scarf around it, put my bonnet on, and this is how I slept. So this is how I woke up. So I'm finna take this down and I'm finna see what this is looking like down. Okay, so I'll be back. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. So I took the ponytail down and it wasn't looking too bad, but it wasn't really looking like YWigs no more, because my real hair was doing some things because it was still wet when I put it up. So like my curls weren't defined and stuff like that. So let me show y'all what I'm doing. So this side I've already done, and I'm probably gonna put a little bit of like eco gel or something like right there just to give it a little like wet, smooth type of look. But like this side right here, I have not done anything to yet. So I'm about to show y'all what I'm doing. So what I'm doing is putting some of my butter, my hair butter, which will be coming out shortly. So y'all stay tuned for that. But my hair butter, I'm putting some of this in my hair. My hair is a little bit still damp, so I am about to put some of this in my hair. And what this does is, number one, moisturizes it. Number two, it stretches it a little bit. And then number three, it defines my curls. So it's making it blend in with the hair a little bit more, as you can see like on this side. So I'm about to show y'all what I'm doing. So let's see. So I take like a little bit like that, and I'm gonna take like a piece, then I'm just putting that down my shaft, and it's gonna look like that at first, but it starts to, like, you know, blend in. So see how that's blending more? So I'm finna do that to the rest of this part right here. So that can blend more. My hair is so weird, y'all. I'm telling y'all, like, look at my hair here. Look at the curls here, and then look at this. My hair is just so weird. That's why I was telling y'all in the other video, I don't know. I don't know what my curl pattern is, y'all, because my curls change so much. Like, I don't know. And I be having like different curls. So I don't know what my curl pattern is at this point anymore. I feel like I'm a 4B. So I feel like I'm a little bit before a 4C. But I don't think I'm giving 4A. So that's why I say 4B. But child, y'all, I don't know. It really don't even matter. Shoot, a curl is a dang on curl at this point. I'm sick of it. But I've been learning so much about my hair, which is part of the reason how I came up with this hair butter. And I also have an oil as well. But I've really been taking care of my natural hair and also my sister's, because I'm like, I'm ready to start wearing my hair. Like, I be sick of the weaves, because baby, I'm the weave queen, honey, because my mother is a hairstylist. So my mother is like the old school hairstylists, you know, the ones that still wash people's hair. No shade though. Because I do understand, you know why. But that's a different topic. We won't talk about that today. But I've always worn weave. So I'm just, you know, this past year I got into really trying to just love my authentic self, which includes my hair. And I'm like, I need to figure out a way to learn how to retain length, because my hair grows kind of slow when I'm not like doing anything extra, like taking pills or taking biotin pills or anything like that, my hair grows kind of slow. So I'm like, when it does grow, I need to retain it. Cause the last time I got a trim, I had to trim off a good grip, and I was sad and crying and ready to go jump into the Trinity. So I'm not trying to have that happen anymore. So I'm trying to, you know, so I started researching and looking into different stuff, and I was like, okay, I'm finna find something to do that will help me be able to maintain my hair and grow my hair and retain my length. Okay, so here's what we looking like now. I'm gonna show y'all the back. I don't know what the back look like because I don't have a back mirror, but I like it, y'all. I like it. Of course, it's not, you know, dead on as far as like matching my curls and stuff like that, but I mean, that's kind of hard to do anyway when you are ordering hair online. So I think it's a pretty dang on close match. Like, and even if your hair color, I'm talking about hair colors, even if your hair texture is not this color, I mean, not this color. What am I talking about, y'all? Even if your hair texture, your curls are not this curl, you can also, that Eco Gel does wonders, y'all. So you can put some of the Eco Gel on your hair and like slick it and like hide it through the hair or whatever. But anyways, this is the final look. This is what we're looking like. This is probably how I'm gonna wear it today. And this is that, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And I can take care of my hair, which is what I love, because I can still oil my scalp, put it up, put my butter on my hair, all of it I can do. So I need you to stop. I just don't. Okay, there we go. Yeah. So I love it. And if y'all don't like it, I don't care. Play with your mama, not me. No, I'm just playing. But I like it. I like it. And I don't know why. It's just, I guess it's just the fact that we know that the top part is our hair. Because I'm like, even if this was really my hair, it's people who have shorter lengths and stuff like that, like around their head. So that sticking out is not even an issue. So I don't even know why. It's just bothering me. But anyways, this is my hair for today. So this is how I'm gonna wear it today, and I love it. I love it. But yeah, so that's it for today, y'all. I will show y'all my outfit, but I'm still trying to figure out these camera angles and stuff like that. So I don't know what to tell y'all. Y'all gonna have to wait till I figure out how to do this stuff. But anywho, see y'all later, because I got stuff to do. Got stuff to do today, but just wanted to come and show y'all what we was looking like the next day. So bye. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Come join your girls team. I'm about to really, y'all, I really been getting into this vlogging. Y'all really been trying to do better. I really been trying to do better. Everybody has been asking me to start vlogging. So I'm about to start vlogging. Y'all don't know why y'all want to see my complicated life, but I'm finna start vlogging it, y'all. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, bring the crew. See y'all later. Bye.